Hi all, this is Sangeetha. I am a physiotherapist practicing at COIMBATORE. Today's topic is urinary incontinence. What is urinary incontinence? When there is reduced or complete loss of control to your bladder muscles. What are the symptoms you experience when you have this problem? You feel leak most of the times while sneezing, coughing and laughing, while doing some activities, while bending and lifting objects, while doing exercises, while climbing stairs, while having sexual intercourse, then frequent UTI or urinary tract infection. What are the causes for this? Age, obesity, hormonal imbalance, habituation or lifestyle, menopause, during pregnancy, after delivery, any gynecological procedures, neurological or psychological problems like stress or depression. What are the treatment options you have? Therapeutic and medical. Therapeutic, it's by exercises. Medical, it's by simple surgical procedure.